Hello everybody, how you guys doing today, and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing Chapter 3 Season 1 recaps of all the new things and old things that are in the game. So we have returning 3 POIs, such as Screechy Grove, Shifty Shafts, and Tilted Towers. We have new weapons such as the MK and Ranger AR, Stinger SMG, the Hunter's Bolt Sniper, the Auto, Striker Pump, and the Heavy Shotguns, the Machine Pistol, and the Grenade Launcher. We have 3 new mythic weapons. We have the Foundation's MKAR, MK7, the Gunner's Stinger SMG, and the Spider-Man's Web Shooters. A brand new POI we had was Cavern. We had the Drake's map. We had the Foundation skin and quest. We had the winterfest presence. We had a sliding mechanic, which was a big thing everyone was excited about. We had new heals, such as the Memis, which you can use to spray yourself and others of your teammates if you're playing duos, trios, and squads. The Guzzle Juice is also a 100% healing item for you to use. We had the turn of the Quad Crashers, of course, this was a OG Chapter 1 vehicle. We also had a brand new Icon radio station when the Bruno Mars and Anderson .Paak collab came into the game. OZL tents, which you can store your guns and heals and all that for your next game. So, yep, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys for part 2 for collabs and all that. So, see you later.